See, now the phone is off, right? You are revealing the S-Pen. Just see. Is it responding?
No, it's not responding.
ऑफ स्क्रीन मेमो नहीं चल रहा
See, now it will come.
It takes time to.
Sometimes, it takes a lot of time. Now it is. Is it? It's not responding. This is only one. When I am putting it again, taking it back, it will respond. It will respond still after some time. And it is every time it is happening with that. I mean, sometimes for a longer period it doesn't respond. See how many times. See, I am telling the truth for
One time, only one time you have changed the PBR, no? That's
which one?
this one's the motherboard you are changing one time.
Yeah, I think the motherboard was changed once, then the display was changed. Other than this, they would have changed the whole handset, no?
Just I'll check the S pin. Another X pin also is working or not there in that.
Yeah, you can. But you have to do it in front of me. Now it will show.